Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm going to make you learn how to analyze the chart for the daily bias. So first of all, we need to see the news. So today we are having multiple news, but what is really important is this news, which is at 8:30 p.m. So we are having high impact news, and I don't usually trade during the high impact news since the spread is quite high. So let's move to the charts now. So this is the monthly chart, and first of all we have to do is mark the strong high and the strong low for the bias of the market. What do I mean by that? So this is the equal low, the price swept these equal low and broke this high. This gave us a strong low right here. The price reacted from this strong low later, you can clearly see, and it moved into the upside direction but couldn't break this high. But we broke below this strong low. This gave us a bearish bias into the monthly time frame, and the price moved into the downward direction, breaking this strong low, giving us a bearish bias into the monthly time frame, and then again the price retraced back towards this swing of the higher time frame, making this a strong zone, and we reacted from this candle over here, which had taken the high of the previous monthly candle, making this candle a strong zone of reaction. Let's mark it like this. And then the price moved into the downward direction. But here, we were having equal lows. The price, instead of breaking these equal lows, it swept it. This gave us a bullish bias into the smaller time frame, and we can clearly see that the price moved into the upside direction. So let's move to the weeklies for a detailed picture now, since there is nothing more to see into the monthly charts. So this is the weekly chart, and we can clearly see that this was the zone which was inside the monthly. Let's move to the monthlies again. I'll make it visible for the weeklies. So we are clearly inside the monthly zone over here, and this was the volume balance zone from where the price reacted into the weekly levels. So now what do we have? So we are having this unmitigated candle which was responsible for the bearish move into the market, and the price retraced back to it and reacted into the downward direction right now. So what do we have into the downward direction to stop this bearish phase right here? So we are having this weekly order block in the zones. So which is the last unmitigated part in this weekly order block is this candle's wick over here. So there is nothing more to see into the weekly charts. So let's move to the dailies now. So this is the daily chart, and we can see that we are inside an order block right here. The price is reacting from this order block, and now what are we doing? We are sweeping the lows continuously. The price is being reluctant to break below the structure. This shows us a slowdown into the price towards the downward direction, so most likely I will be anticipating the price to move into the upside direction since it's into the weekly order block and also into the daily order block, which is inside the weekly order block, and the price is sweeping the lows. So the price seems choppy right here. So let's move to the 4 hours now. So this is the 4-hour chart, and we are having throughout the zone where the price can actually react to. So this will be the most crucial zone since it is the weekly levels, which is unmitigated by the market, and I will be anticipating the price to move into the upside direction from this weekly zone. So currently, where are we? So we are into the order block zone of the 4-hour. So the price is still being reluctant to go into the downward direction, but we are also taking the highs, making strong highs. So the price reacted from this zone over here. And we moved into the downward direction. So currently what do we have for the bias is the price is into the 4-hour zone and it is reluctant to go into the downward direction. So most likely we are going to move into the upside direction if we are going to see a sweep into the market. So let's move to the 1 hours now. So this is the 1 hour chart and we are having high right here. So if the price is going to sweep this and break this high, most likely we are going to move into the upside direction. So this will be the reason for the price to move into the higher direction if we are going to break it. So let's make it visible to smaller time frames. Okay. And this is the low we are having for now. So let's move to the 15 minutes now. So currently this is our chart. And if we are going to break below this low, most likely we are going to go into the downward direction. And if we are going to break this high, most likely the price will continue to move into the upside direction till this order block right here. Or the 50% of the overall move. I'll be marking it like this. So this will be the first safe target for the price, and this will be the extreme target for the price to move into the downward side. So for the bias, if we are going to break this high, we are going to be bullish, else we'll be looking for the chance for the price to retrace back into the upside direction, or you can have a scalp into the smaller time frames according to the market structure. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.